07 AM, wala pa akong naririnig, wala pa akong, hindi naman namin pwedeng basta na lang upuan. So, tingnan na lang natin kung syempre pakikinggan din naman natin yung naman yung ifa-file nila. But as of today, again, 11:07, wala pa. Wala pa akong alam personally. I think sila din, wala.
We listen and we respect the opinion of the president. Of course, he's coming from a different place po, no, as the executive. But we have to take note, the executive branch is different from the legislative branch. And we know naman from his statement, it's actually a plea. No, it's advice. He's not really trying to tell the legislative what to do. But given that we are the legislative and this is a constitutional mandate po, no, nasa constitution natin yung process of impeachment, I think we are duty-bound to not really entertain but to hear out if there are any impeachment complaints filed. Although, tama po si Congresswoman Zamora, we have yet to hear of any impeachment complaint, but should it be filed, we have to give it due process in the sense that we'll hear